In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Discord on phone while playing games. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using, whether you're on iPhone, Android, Samsung, or anything like that. So the first thing you want to do is go over to your settings application, then go all the way down to apps, and then we're going to go ahead and find Discord. So we're going to go ahead and find that right now, obviously under D. Now what we're going to do is turn on background app refresh and live activities. You want to make sure that these are both toggled on. Next thing you want to do is go over to your Discord application and then just join whatever voice channel you want. Maybe you want to be on a call with your friends or anything like that. So I'm going to join this one right now. Now all I want to go ahead and do is just open up my game at the same time. So for example, we'll just go ahead and open up Roblox and I'm going to be on the game like so. And now if I go over to Discord, I'm still in it. It's still going to be in the background and I'll still be able to be in call with my friends and really just do whatever I want. As you can see, if I go to my control panel, the game overlay is turned on right there. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.